Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Aviator Predictor app on phone. So let's get into the video. So on your browser on your phone, so just open up any browser and then you're going to type in Aviator Predictor APK. So just type that Aviator Predictor APK and hit on search. And then when you hit on search, you go to this Aviator Predictor website here. So you have this APK version. Click on that result, open it up, and then now all you have to do is simply hit on this download option. So you're going to download the Predictor app package here. So hit on it, it will do your country check and everything. So it will do that, and then once this is done, then it's going to start the download. Hit on start and then start the download. Once you've downloaded it, and what you're going to do, you're going to log in using your Google account. So you can just log in using your Google account after you have start the download and installed it. So once that's done, all you have to do is just log in using your Google account, and once you've logged in, you're all good to use these Predictor app, Aviator Predictor app, and that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.